Here we are on the Easter train, girls. Our Easter train. The river train is very busy today. Very busy train today. Hey, look at that. There's a conductor. Look at that. And there's Mom in front of the Easter train. Pretty, huh?
Orange.
Decoration. Yeah. There we go. You guys still having fun on the train?
So much fun.
What's the best part of the train so far, Penelope?
Nothing.
The bread.
The bread. The bread awesome.
Kind of like this fig tree. It's neat. The tree's there, and then it's like a hole carved in the middle.
Okay, Greg, you gotta move you're in the...
Dad, move!
Oh, what? What's wrong?
I got my hand on the...
Oh, I'm in your shot. Sorry.
Oh, and your hand just got in the shot.
Oh.
Dad, get out of here. No, you're bad on the ground.
Out playing near the upside down trees.
And moi.
Let's go see the goats.
It's still scratching your foot?
Yeah, it really hurts.
Mackie stepped on a poison oak tree.
No, Dad, stop.
Here's the girls. Oops. Here's the girls enjoying their dessert. Mackie was sneaking some of Penelope's dessert before. We're behaving properly as usual. Mackie as well. Are you behaving properly, Mackie? Penelope? Are you behaving properly? And here's everybody coming back on the train. She stayed up though. Oh, look who's there. Here's the bunny. Here we go.
Look at me.
What do you think of the Easter bunny, Pep? Ooh, you got a candy. Good job. What did you think of the Easter bunny?
It was awesome. He has his own security guard.
Yeah. Oh.
Can you take a picture with him?
There he goes. Are you eating your chocolate?
See her face in that one?
Are you eating your chocolate?
Yeah, she does. Yeah, you guys really cool in that way. Just do your face like when like.
Uh-oh. I also think it was smart, which was Oh, sorry. The post-train Starbucks, huh, Penelope?
Yes.
Post-train Starbucks. Here's your drink, Mackie.
I don't have a drink.
Oh, because Mackie was a bad. Why is Mackie not going to drink?
Because she's not behaving good.
Still Easter. This was Easter train day. Look at everybody's dressed down now. Look at that outfit.
Oh, don't look. I'm rocking the Cowboys. So hand me that. I'm the hair holder.
Oh, look at that. Very good. All right, you guys have fun on the Easter train today?
Yep.
All right. Was it, even though it was more fun than last year, Mackie?
Yeah. It was a blast.
All right. Say goodbye, everybody. We're going to wrap up the video.
Probably say bye.
Bye, Easter train day.
Bye, Easter train day.
Hope this Easter is better than last.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Okay, bye-bye.